Hey guys, what's up? It's Marissa, and today I'm giving you guys a move-in vlog, my very last move-in vlog for my senior year of 2019. Yes, we are doing the thing, but I'm just doing this is editing me because I accidentally deleted the actual intro, and I didn't want us to start in like the middle of nowhere. So basically my move-in was 2 days. It's a 2-day move-in kind of situation going on, going from home to traveling to college and so on. So I hope you guys enjoy. If you like it, put that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and follow me at any other social media. Bye. I feel like we're blurry. We had to switch off. Technically my room is really in the dark, but you know, whatever. I guess I'm really chill though, just because I've done this so many times, and so that the only thing I'm excited about at this point is finishing school. Like I'm done. So we're gonna do the thing. This is gonna be our last year. Hopefully this is gonna be our last 6 months, but we don't know yet. So I'll tell you in 6 months how that's going. I probably am not gonna pack for the first month. Like I'm gonna unpack the necessities, like my toothbrush, my toothpaste, and soap. But everything else is probably gonna still be in the suitcase for a good month or more. We gotta go. We gotta go right now. Okay, so I think this is where we're gonna end the day. It's 11:20. I just got back to my room. So it's actually a similar size. I think it's a similar size, honestly, from my room before. The difference is I have like this area, which it's like a little closet area. So I have 2 closets. Thank gosh. They might have to take this out if someone else needs a closet. But right now, I have 2 closets. They're probably gonna take one of these dresses out. Right now I have 2 of everything. So I think they're gonna take it out if it's needed. But for now, this looks like it's gonna be great. I can't wait. Okay, I think I'm gonna take some stuff out of my car, but other than that, I'm going to bed. It was nice talking to you guys, nice seeing you guys. Thank you for coming on this great journey. And I might show you guys me decorating my room, but I don't know. I'm a senior. I don't really feel like decorating my room. I think I'm gonna be here for a couple months, but we'll see what we're gonna do. We'll see.
got to let it go. You got to let it go. You got to let it go. I'm ready to let go, go. I'm ready to let go. I'm ready to let go, go. I'm ready to let go. I'm ready to let go, go. I'm ready to let go. You got to let it go.
Okay, don't even want to talk about what time of night it is, but I'm finished. Okay, so there is some stuff, like there's some clothes I could have folded, I did not. There's some like dishes I could have put away, I didn't really. And there's some bins that could have been weaved out a little more, but for the most part I kind of took care of everything. I know the lighting's so bad, I don't want to tell you what time it is right now. It is super early in the day, super early. But I think I like everything. Nothing's decorated, it literally is just such a mediocre setup. I think the one I'm really proud of is actually like my little desk area. It looks really busy, kind of junky, I get it, but like I like it. I like how, to me, this is organized by topic, so like film, exercise, and then kind of, I have DIY stuff this year just because my cat, yeah. So but I like how I have just stuff organized, and my desk is kind of clear, but that's good because not too many distractions. The hardest thing's gonna be is where I'm gonna set up us, like where are we going to go, because technically I filmed right there for like the giveaway, but which, by the way, the package is like right there. I already packed it, I'm already ready to give it to you guys, but like out of sight, out of mind, because honestly I'm someone who can't hold gifts for forever, and 2 weeks feels like forever for me. So sorry, I turned the fan off just so I can talk. So I'm pretty much done. I don't really like how my bed looks. I've always had like a really cohesive and pretty setup when it comes to my bed, and now it's just like meh, don't really like it, but hopefully I'll change it eventually. I might not. My room is not color coded. It used to be very blue in the beginning of my YouTube days, or very pink towards the end of my YouTube days, and now it's like very random colors, a mix of the colors, like you see like a little mix of the colors, and it's just very plain in general. I'm just gonna get my laundry and then I'm gonna go to bed because I have class, and tomorrow is gonna be such a busy day. I'm doing a lot of traveling with classes, in between classes, and it's just gonna be such a hectic day. And my memory cards are full because of this whole video, so I gotta really figure out how I'm gonna like transfer videos over and like save up memory, and it's really hot. I'm walking around because I'm trying to find try and find decent lighting to talk to you guys, but that's pretty much it. I'm officially moved in. My battery's running out, so I gotta go, but I hope you liked the video. I hope you could actually probably don't look at my first move-in day video, because I literally tried to look at it again to make this video. 2 minutes in, and I was cringing so hard. Like, I couldn't handle watching it, which actually, if you ever want me to react to my old videos, which I don't know if I can get through it, I'm probably very annoying, but if you want that idea, let me know, because I just got done planning the next 2 months of filming and posting, so that can also be on my list. Just let me know. That's cool. Alright, bye.